There's this thing going around in Twitter that there's like a link in RV battles that everybody's talking about on YouTube. So I decided to make a video on it too. It's on Twitter. If I could find him or something, let me just go on Twitter, guys. Okay, guys. So I found the video. And here it is. It's from Events Linker, and here the video is.
Battler! You powered the subway!
That's awesome! Oh, wait! The subway's about to take off! Battler, you should get out of here! It's not safe for you! This is our battle!
So, looking in the video, I could tell that after Sabrina says, it says our battle, it just teleports, us or him to the, like, somewhere. I don't know where it teleport us to. It's like teleport us somewhere and stuff. I don't know where it teleport us. But, if we go to the over here, you can see that we only have 8% for this thing to charge up. So I read DJ's tweet, and next week will be the final battle. We all thought that Saturday was going to be it, but no, next week will be final battle. So, I hope you guys are ready and prepared for next week, because things are about to get crazy.